Datu Pax Ali Mangudadatu vs. Commission on Elections, Sharifa Akil Mangudadatu, Azel v. Mangudadatu, and by Ali A. Untang GR numbers 260219 and 260231, April 22, 2025, and Bank. Ponent, Justice Gerlin. Datu Pax Ali Mangudadatu, the incumbent mayor of Datu Abdullah Senki, DS, Maguindanao, filed his certificate of candidacy or COC for Governor of Sultan Kudarat for the 2022 elections. He declared in his COC that he was a resident of Purock Garden, Tamag, Latayan, Sultan Kudarat for 1 year and 8 months before the election. Opposing candidates, including Sharifa Akil Mangudadatu, filed petitions before the COMELEC to cancel his COC, alleging false material representation. Pax Ali was still mayor of DS, actively discharging his duties, and had not abandoned his residence in Maguindanao. Pax Ali argued that Latayan, Sultan Kudarat was his domicile of origin, and that he had re-established residence there since 2020, transferring his belongings and resigning as mayor in November 2021. The COMELEC First Division and N Bank both ruled against him, cancelling his COC for false material representation. He then filed a petition before the Supreme Court claiming that the COMELEC gravely abused its discretion. Whether the COMELEC committed grave abuse of discretion in cancelling Pax Ali's COC on the ground of false material representation regarding his residency qualification. No. The Supreme Court held that Pax Ali failed to prove that he had validly reacquired residency in Sultan Kudarat 1 year before the May 9, 2022 elections. While he presented evidence of physical presence in Latayan, Sultan Kudarat, his continued incumbency and performance of duties as mayor of DS negated any intent to abandon his domicile there. His resignation as mayor in November 2021 was done too late to satisfy the 1-year residency requirement. The court ruled that Pax Ali knowingly made a false material representation in his COC when he claimed to be a resident of Sultan Kudarat for 1 year and 8 months before the elections, despite knowing he was still mayor and resident of DS, Maguindanao. The petition was dismissed for lack of merit. The COMELEC's cancellation of Pax Ali's COC was affirmed. The court also abandoned the second placer rule, holding that in cases where the winning candidate's COC is void ab initio, votes cast for that person are stray, and succession under the local government code should apply instead of proclaiming the second placer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more case digest.